Auto insurance sounds complicated, but I'll break it down in 2 minutes. First, liability. This pays other people if I'm at fault. You'll see numbers like 25, 50, 25, or 100, 300, 100. That's bodily injury per person, bodily injury per accident, property damage. So 100, 300, 100 means up to 100K line for one person's injuries, 300K max for all injuries in one accident, and a 100K line for damage to someone else's stuff. State minimums are often low, great for legal compliance, not so great if there's a big crash. I usually aim higher if I have a car loan, assets, or drive a lot. Next, collision and comprehensive. These protect my car. Collision pays to fix my car after a crash, regardless of fault. Comprehensive covers non-crash stuff: theft, vandalism, fire, hail, floods, falling trees, even animals. Both use a deductible. The amount I pay first, like $500 or $1,000. Higher deductible, lower premium, but more out of pocket if I file a claim. Uninsured, underinsured motorist, UIM, protects me if the other driver has no insurance or not enough. It can cover injuries, and sometimes my car, depending on the state. I try to match this to my liability limits. Medical payments, med pay, or personal injury protection, PIP, helps with medical bills for me and my passengers, no matter who's at fault. PIP can also cover lost wages and rehab in some states. Extras, gap coverage pays the gap if my car's totaled and I owe more than it's worth. Rental reimbursement helps with a rental while my car's in the shop after a covered claim. Roadside assistance covers tows, jump starts, lockouts. One more thing, full coverage isn't a policy. It just means liability, plus collision and comprehensive. Details still matter. Quick rule of thumb, set liability high enough to protect your savings, choose deductibles you can actually pay, and review limits every year or after big life changes. That's auto insurance, simplified. You've got this.